In Thailand, there are three major mobile carriers: AIS, True, and TAC. Here, I will explain about AIS, which I am using. AIS has a store on the third floor of the Maya Shopping Center. If you are signing up for the first time, a passport is required. There are various types of contracts available. This time, I will explain the details of my contract. It is a monthly contract. The fee is 220 baht per month. The details of the plan are as follows. Up to the first 5 gigabytes, you can use 5G, and after that, you can use up to 50 gigabytes at a reduced speed. Free calls are available for up to 15 minutes per call. Wi-Fi is unlimited with AIS Super Wi-Fi. Next, I will explain the payment method. You can make payments using a smartphone app. Tap on the My AIS app on your smartphone. Then, tap on Top Up. Select the amount you want to add to your AIS account balance. Here, you can choose from 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, or 100 baht. If the amount you want to select is not listed, tap See More to choose a different amount. Next, choose your payment method. You can select either a bank or a credit card. When you add funds, the balance on the main screen will increase. You will also receive an SMS notification. On the payment due date, the amount will be automatically deducted from your balance. You will also receive an SMS notification about the deduction. Did you understand the details of Thai mobile phone SIMs? There are various contract types available, so choose the one that suits you best.